LSCHBA glows on run without tripping SIV-fitted Loco, or SIV working but LSCHBA remains glowing. Check the SIV panel. If CHBA OK, indication LED is glowing. Close BLCPA, BLCPD if MCPs are not working. Wedge QCon in energized condition. Manually operate Q118 to close DJ VCB. Close BLCP after 5 seconds of SIV picked up. If MCPs are working, ignore LSCHBA, resume traction and frequently check the CHBA LED indication. If CHBA OK, indication LED is not glowing. Reset the SIV. Ensure BA voltage about 90 volts. Close DJ. And if SIV working, continue traction and inform TLC. Minimize BA load and frequently check BA voltage on run.